Hey, what's going on? My name is Bryan Watson, owner of the Watson Housekeeping Group, a residential, commercial, and Airbnb cleaning company located in the Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia area. Today, I'm going to show you how to get up those pesky hairs when doing an Airbnb turnover or just cleaning a residential property. Let's get into it. All right, so step one is you want to grab yourself a lint roller. You can get this at the dollar store, Walmart, you can order from a trade line account. We'll get into that a little bit later. But you want to get yourself a lint roller, and you want to start taking it across fabric. Doesn't really matter the direction or anything like that. The goal is to make sure you get this hair. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you see how we got all this hair right here? See, some of this hair I didn't even see on the couch. So it's always good to go over it with a lint roller. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your vacuum cleaner. And for your fabric, so you see on this couch how it has these divots here where you do the stitching. You're not going to be able to get in there with a lint roller. So you want to take your vacuum cleaner, turn it on, and vacuum out these little divots right here to get any hair or food that has gotten into there. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab your vacuum cleaner. Get yourself a vacuum that works well on hardwood floors as well as carpet. I really like this one, so I'll put it's called Ebook. I'll put a link to it in the description. It works very well for me. But you want to grab your vacuum cleaner and start vacuuming the floors. All right, so here's a little pro tip. For hair in the shower, what you want to do is, one, you want to check the shower to make sure it's dry, right? And then take your vacuum cleaner and actually vacuum out the hair in the shower before you clean it. That way, when you try to vacuum, the hair isn't wet or anything like that, it easily comes up. All right, so the last thing that you want to do is you want to mop with a micro fiber pad, just like this. I got this one out for Amazon. I really like it though, because it has this squirt bottle. I can put my solution into it. I'll put a link to this in the description as well. All right, so if you follow those 4 steps, you'll be able to make sure that you get up all the pesky hair when doing an Airbnb turnover. If you found this video very helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you again on another video. Peace out.